Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the print queue or print spooler on your Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial will apply for earlier versions of Windows as well, but this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing here would be to open up the search menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate the print spooler service from this list, so go down to it, and then you want to double click on it. You want to stop the service, and then select OK. Close out of here. Now you want to open up the File Explorer down your taskbar. You can search for it alternatively as well through the search menu, and you want to select this PC on the left side. Double click on your local disk where Windows is installed, so go ahead and double click on that. And now you want to locate the Windows folder, double click on it, and now go down to System 32 and double click on it. There should be a spool folder in here, so go ahead and scroll down. Again, spool, go ahead and double click on it. And now there should be a printers folder in here. Go ahead and double click on it. You may need to gain access or permission to the folder. Select continue. You need to enter in administrator credentials. You can at this time, but pretty straightforward. And once you're in here, you just want to go ahead and highlight over anything in here. Highlight and delete anything. You can tap the delete key on your keyboard if you prefer. And that's pretty straightforward. And once you're done with that, go ahead and open back up services here. And then you want to go down to the print spooler service and just start the service. You can left click on it and select start the service up here. And you should be good to go. It's a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.